Let's learn how to switch your account to Paperless. Log in to your member portal. From the home page, you can view your current preferred method of communication. This one is sent to print and electronic communication. Let's go paperless. Select Update Your Profile. At the bottom, open the drop-down menu for Preferred Method and select Electronic Communication Only. Hit Submit. From there, you'll get the paperless consent form pop-up. Choose your relationship to the policy, whether you're an authorized representative, policyholder, broker, or other, and then type in your initials. Read through the agreement, check the I agree box, and click Save. You'll return to the Update Profile screen, and a green Success notification box will appear in the bottom right corner. You can go back to the home page and see your preferred method now lists electronic communication only.